the traitor's part when she has slain me so? Who made me without sweetheart? Love as long as I might go. Dead am I, this I know, because I love not in my heart, nor ever in my life's flow. Shall I be true lover's counterpart? I serve her then, when I am now escaped and free. I know not, but such follies can, that return soon enough to him purdy, to the place whence grief came to be. God, if I did this, when a sweeter death would come to me, but too much am I blamed by men. I would repent me of this art if I were escaped from prison's fold. At times I spoke for my part, like a man desperate and cold. Love slay me now, behold. Certainly I would wish the smart. The strength is not mine to hold against you. Well, you know my heart. Must I well endure and bear, nor ever may Christ end up? Better my state, I swear, if I seek to leave this care. Though you should slay me, overcome, I cannot choose, I declare, a better death, nor find one anywhere. Love, I know not what to say when I think on it more and more. 1 hour she makes me glad and gay, the other makes me weep full sore. Never must I blame her for her lore, but ill will and anger sway, make me speak and unspeak o'er and o'er, and speak folly evermore, and speak folly evermore, and speak folly evermore, and speak folly evermore. And speak for